Hello students, this is Swati Deshpande teacher. Today we will be solving few important sums for 5th standard scholarship and our subject is mathematics. Okay, so let's begin right away. See, first sum will appear on your screen. How many notes of rupees 10 can one get if one gives 30 coins of rupees 5? Okay, very easy. This is the first sum. How much money do we have? What are they saying? 30 coins of 5. 30 coins of rupees 5, right? 5 rupees के 30 coins है. So how much money do we have in total? 30 into 5. If I have 2 notes of 10, how much money do I have? 2 into 10, 20 rupees. If I have 5 notes of 5 rupees, then how much money do I have? 5 into 5, 25 rupees. Same way, if I have 30 coins of rupees 5, total money I have is 30 into 5. Students, I have already told you this in my multiplication video and division video as well. As far as possible, try to avoid doing this multiplication. Keep it like that only. Okay? Now हमें करना क्या है? ये जो total money है, वो हमें 10 rupees के notes में convert करना है. So basically we want to divide this entire money in 10 rupees. So means we want to divide this entire total by 10. See, there will be some number 30 into 5. In this case it is not that difficult to arrive at the answer, but that also you don't do. Just leave it like that. And whatever will be the answer, we need to divide that by 10 because this entire money now we want in terms of 10 rupees. We want to convert in 10 rupees. So we are dividing this by 10. Now let us go ahead. Now this 0 will go with this 0. So only one bacha idhar. 1 means over. Now what numbers are there? 3 into 5. 15. So 15 notes we can have of 10 rupees. This is the answer in shortest possible way. Okay. Here in competitive exam, time is very crucial. We should try to save as much time as we can. So we should not do unnecessary calculations. We should avoid it. Okay. So that's how we have avoided this multiplication, and because ये multiplication के बाद again divide ही करना है. Okay. This time fortunately the numbers weren't very big, but sometimes the numbers are big. Then multiplication takes time. Then again you have to divide. So we will avoid that. We will write them in the form of fraction, and then we will do the necessary calculations. Okay. Students, next sum will appear on your screen. Onkar passed an exam scoring 510 marks. If he scored 68% marks, then for how many marks was the exam conducted? एग्जाम की टोटल मार्क्स कितने हैं वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. उसको कितने मिले? ओंकार को 68%. परसेंट मीन्स अपॉन 100. 68% ऑफ व्हाट? ऑफ टोटल विच वी डोंट नो. वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट दिस. बट उसके एक्चुअल मार्क्स है 510. Isn't it? What they have given in English we have translated in mathematics. 68% of total is 510. अभी टोटल फाइंड आउट करना है तो ये एक साइड रख के ये बाकी सब उधर भेजेंगे. तो क्या हम लोग इधर का रख करके इधर लिखेंगे? नहीं, इधर से उधर जाता है नंबर तो उसमें प्लेस का चेंज होता है. सो दिस स्क्वायर विल रिमेन लाइक दिस. Equal to is as it is, 510 is as it is. Only thing is this was multiplication, so it will be division. In the form of fraction it is 68 upon 100. So when it will go to other side, it will be 100 upon 68. reciprocal. Okay, so when this changes its side, other side of equal to, it becomes उल्टा. जो नीचे का नंबर है वो ऊपर एंड ऊपर का नीचे. डिनोमिनेटर becomes numerator and vice versa. अभी चलो डिवीजन स्टार्ट करते हैं. ऑब्जर्व द नंबर्स. बोथ दिस नंबर 51 and 68 they come in 17 stable. 17 3s are 51 and this 0 will be just copied on top. 17 4s are 68. Now 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 10 में से 8 we have used, only 2 is remaining, so 2 is attached to this 0, so it is 20 again. So 4 5s are 20. Now 20 into 30, how much it is? 20 into 30 is 750. So total marks of the exam were 750. Students, if you are not comfortable division like this 4 and 100 का, तो ऐसा भी कर सकते हो, लेकिन as a scholarship student you should be able to do division like this. It is much faster. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next sum will appear on your screen. Third question, how many square pieces with side 50 centimeter can be made at the most from a rectangular sheet of paper with length 12 meter and breadth 10 meter. Okay, क्या दिया है? रेक्टेंगुलर शीट है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन है ये. रेक्टेंगुलर बड़ा शीट है, उसकी लेंथ क्या दी है? 12 मीटर एंड 10 मीटर. 12 मीटर लेंथ, 10 मीटर ब्रेड, और उसमें से छोटे छोटे पीसेस निकालने हैं. ये छोटे पीस की साइज क्या है? 50 सेंटीमीटर. ऐसे भी इधर भी 50 और इधर भी 50, वो स्क्वायर है. ओके, सो 50 सेंटीमीटर. हियर you need to be very careful. Here there is meter, here there is centimeter. That is the only thing to worry about, right? हमें टोटल एरिया कितनी है? हमें ये एरिया पीसेस में कट करनी है. मतलब we are dividing this area into small pieces. Means this sum is of area. How to find the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. So length into breadth is the area of this bigger one, bigger piece. और ये small जो piece है उसकी भी एरिया है ना छोटी वाली, वो कितनी है? 50 सेंटीमीटर into 50 सेंटीमीटर. What is the area of a square? Side into side or side square, isn't it? So it is 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter. Now what are we doing? We are dividing or cutting and giving this much piece to one small piece, this much area to another small piece. So in fact we are trying to distribute. Whenever such kind of action is there, when we are making small pieces from bigger, then the solution is bigger piece की area upon smaller piece की area, because we are dividing this bigger space into small these pieces. Square 50 centimeter into 50 centimeter. Can we just go ahead with the division? No, unit has to be same. इधर मीटर है, इधर सेंटीमीटर है. Let's convert. Meter is 12 meter is how many centimeter? 1200 centimeter, because 1 meter is 100 centimeter, so 12 meter is 1200 centimeter, right? अब ये सेंटीमीटर हो गया. 10 meter is 2 जीरो ऐड करना है बस, 1000 सेंटीमीटर, क्योंकि 1 मीटर अगर 100 सेंटीमीटर है तो 10 मीटर 1000 सेंटीमीटर अपॉन, ये तो दोनों सेंटीमीटर ही थे, so nothing to worry about, just copy. Now I am not writing centimeter because all are equal. No need of writing. Now let's go ahead with the division. पहले zeros कैंसिल कर देते हैं, एक ऊपर एक नीचे. ऐसे नीचे क्या बचा है अभी? 5 into 5, इतना ही बचा है. So 5 2 जा 10 और ये 0. नाउ ये 5 का और 20 का करते हैं. 5 1 जा 5, 5 4 जा 20. सो अभी नंबर्स कौन से बचे हैं? 120 इधर और 4 इधर. सो मल्टीप्लाई 120 into 4, that is 480. So 480 small pieces can be made from such a big rectangular sheet. Is that clear? Very easy. Okay, let's go ahead with the next sum. Rutuja gave Pranav rupees 2,500 on simple interest for 6 months at the rate of 8% per annum. How much interest will Pranav pay to Rutuja for 6 months? Here the problem is months. Normally you all know very well how to solve simple interest sums because it is absolutely formula based, right? If I want to find out the simple interest, what is the formula? Principal into number of years into rate upon 100. As simple as that. This order is not important. You can write PRN also. Okay? So अभी इधर क्या क्या दिया है? Principal दिया है 2,500 initial amount, right? Number of years is 6 months. Oh, this is number of years we know. Now it is months. So how to do the months? Months you have to write like this. 6 months is 6 upon 12 because 6 months out of 12 months which make 1 year. So whenever they give you in form of months, you should write that number in the numerator and denominator में 12 जाएगा. Okay? Rate is 8 which is given. Now ये 100 तो आएगा ही आएगा, right? So 100 into 12 it will become. Now let's go ahead. These zeros can go, one in denominator, one in numerator. Okay. Now 12. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12 we can do. Then 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8 we can do. Now here 1 and 1. So over. Now what is left in the numerator? 25, ये 1 और ये 4. So basically 25 into 4. Answer is rupees 100. Rupees 100 interest Pranav will pay to Rutuja. So easy. If you get anything in form of months, write that number as usual in the numerator. Don't forget to give this 12. Write 12 in the denominator along with 100. Okay? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Let's go ahead with the fifth sum. It will appear on your screen. Magan Sheth sold 52 liters of milk for rupees 2,184 and earned a profit of rupees 364. Find the cost price of milk per liter. उसने milk बेचा है. He has sold milk 52 liters and how much money he has got? Total 2,184. Selling price is how much? Selling price. That is the price at which he has sold. 2,184. Okay? Profit मिला है. How much is profit? Profit is how much? 364. 364 is the profit, right? Total milk how much it was? Total milk कितना बेचा? 52 liters, right? Okay. Selling price is given. Profit is given. Can't we find the cost price? Yes. Profit and loss is based on three things: selling price, cost price, profit or loss. Profit और loss में से कुछ तो होगा. अगर selling price बड़ी है cost से तो profit होगा. Selling price अगर छोटी है तो loss होगा. You can see my video on profit and loss. I have explained there properly. Okay. So now we need to find out the cost price of each liter. Okay, तो हमें क्या find out करना है? Cost price. So कैसे? How can I find out the cost price? Cost price is selling price minus profit. अगर सेलिंग प्राइस में से प्रॉफिट निकाल दूं तो मुझे कॉस्ट प्राइस मिलेगी. सो लेट्स गो अहेड. सेलिंग प्राइस इज 2184 minus 364. So easy. 4 minus 4 0, 8 minus 6 2, 1 minus 3 not possible. So 1 will go to 2. 2 will become 1, 1 will become 11, 11 minus 3 is 8, 1 ऐसे आएगा. So this is a cost price. This cost price is of 52 liters. Total cost price. They have asked us to find out the cost price per liter. If 52 liters की cost is 1820, then what is the cost of each? From many we are trying to find out 1 liter. From many to 1 it is always division. So 1820 divided by 52. If we do it like this, we will have to make the table of 52, which is very time consuming. So you must do the division like this. These type of divisions are based on divisibility test. You need to find out. Not necessarily big numbers. You can start with smallest number like 2. Divisibility test apply करना है. Your main job is to find out the common factor of these two. Okay? Start with, see, I know it is divisible by 13 straight away. But in case you don't realize it, don't worry. Your answer won't go wrong. Okay? This is even number, this is even number. So both are divisible by 2, right? So divide by 2. कैसे करना है? फिर से ऐसे? No. Divide by 2 means what will you do? You will do each number by 2. Assume you are dividing 1820 in this way. How you would have done? 2 9s are 18. Okay. Then 2 1s are 2 and this 0 will come here. Same way. 2 2s are 4. ये 5 है तो 1 बचा है. That 1 you attach to this 2. So 12. So 2 6 are 12. Now again. Now these numbers are also divisible by 13. The student who knows by heart 13 table will realize 26 और 91 दोनों 13 के टेबल में आता है. अगर realize नहीं होता है, don't worry. This is even, this is even. Again both these numbers are divisible by 2. So again we will divide it by 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 में से 8 गया, 1 बचा. ये 1 को attach. So 11. I am not adding, attaching. 11. So 2 5s are 10 तक अभी हो सकता है. So 11 में से 10 गया, 1 बचा. That 1 I am attaching 0 here. So again 10. 1 0 10. So 2 5s are 10. Now here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Very easy. Now we are left with no option but to use 13 table because 13 को और छोटा नहीं कर सकते because 13 is a prime number. Prime number cannot be divided by any other number. Okay? Because it doesn't have any other factor. So 13 1s are 13. 13 3s are 39. So 45 minus 39 is 6. Now 6 I am attaching this 5. So 65. 13 5s are 65. Here 1 आ गया. So nothing to worry about. Our answer is 35. So easy. The cost price of each liter of milk is rupees 35. Okay? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चे लोग. Let us go ahead with the next sum. The length and the breadth of a rectangular room are 4 meter and 3 meter respectively. If this room is to be tiled with square tiles whose side is 40 centimeter, how many tiles will be required? This particular sum is very similar with the earlier sum हम लोगों ने जो किया है rectangular sheet का, वैसे ही है. इधर room दिया है. This is a room. Rectangular room है. This is 4 meter. This is 3 meter. नाउ दिस नीड्स टू बी टाइल, छोटे छोटे टाइल लगवाने हैं, और टाइल की भी एरिया, जब भी टाइलिंग, कारपेट, फ्लोरिंग, coloring, anything of that sort means you need to find out the area. Okay? Now ये बड़े रूम की एरिया क्या है? रेक्टेंगुलर है, तो लेंथ इनटू ब्रेड्थ, so 4 meter into 3 meter is the area, right? Leave it like that. Now we need the area of this small tile which is square with side 40 centimeters. So उसकी एरिया क्या है? फॉर्मूला साइड स्क्वायर और साइड इनटू साइड, सो 40 सेंटीमीटर इनटू 40 सेंटीमीटर. See what are we doing? We are tiling means this much area of the room we are giving it to that particular tile. We are indirectly dividing this area of room into these small tiles. Okay? Because tiles are going to occupy this space. So how much space each tile is going to occupy? This much. And entire room is this much. Even though the numbers are small, unit plays a very important role. It is meter and this is just the centimeter. So whenever we need to do tiling, coloring or something like that, we need to find out the area. And especially when this area, bigger area, we are trying to divide into small things, we do the division. Bigger place on top, area of room on top, and area of tile down. Okay? Can we go ahead with the division? No, not at this point of time. Why? Because the units are different. We must make them same. Units are not equal, so we have to make them same, equal, right? So मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. 4 meter is 400 centimeter, right? Into ये 300 centimeter, right? ये तो पहले से ही सेंटीमीटर ही है, 40 centimeter. Actually, I am not supposed to write centimeters here. I have written just to show you that all are centimeters now. Now we can afford to rub it. Okay? Because while calculating, we are not supposed to write the units. No need. Okay? चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. जीरोस का पहला हिसाब कर लेते हैं. एक ऊपर एक नीचे निकाल दिया. इसका और इसका भी निकाल सकते हैं, इसका भी, इसका एक ऊपर और एक नीचे, दैट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. ओके? इनटू है बीच में, तो कोई भी किसके साथ कैंसिल कर सकते हो, बट वी आर डूइंग इट हियर. ओके, तो अभी बचा क्या है? 40 into 30, 4 into 4. सो ये 4 इसके साथ जा सकता है, एंड दिस 1 0 डोंट फॉरगेट. सो 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4, और ये 0 ऊपर आएगा और इधर से निकल गया. अभी क्या करना है? 2 से करते, इधर 10 है और इधर 4 है. डायरेक्टली 4 के टेबल में 10 और 4 के टेबल में 30 नहीं आता है. सो डजंट मैटर, डू इट विद 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. अगेन 2 बचा है इधर, तो 2 और इसका 2 और इधर 15 आएगा. 2 1s are 2, 3 में से 2 गया, 1 बचा, 1 को ये 0 अटैच किया, सो 10 हो गया था. सो 2 5s are 10. In fact, when we divide by 2, we are doing half. 30 का half is 15. Okay. Now क्या क्या है उधर? 1 और 1, तो टेंशन खत्म. Now here we have 5 and 15. So 5 into 15. 75 tiles will be required. This is the answer. Okay, so easy. Next one will appear on your screen. Please read it properly. 30-meter long rope is cut at 5 places. What will be the length of 2 pieces? Very interesting. Some places, pieces I have discussed in my videos. Please see them on length. You will find a similar sum there. 30-meter long rope है. See, I am not writing the number of the sum. Number is not important. Solving as many sums as we can, that is more important. Okay? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Total rope कितनी है? 30 मीटर की है, बराबर? Now we want to make equal pieces by cutting at 5 places. places 5 means pieces कितने 5 plus 1 6 because when we cut one thread in the middle once we get 2 pieces. When we cut the thread in 2 places, at 2 places we get 3 pieces. So always pieces are one more. So 5 places को cut किया है मतलब pieces actually कितने होंगे 6. So now we are trying to divide this 30 meter equally among these 6 pieces. So indirectly we are dividing this by 6. Answer is 5 centimeter. Okay, 5 meter. It is meter. Okay. So 5 meter का एक piece है. तो don't just go and choose the option 5 because 5 meter will be 1000% there. Because we know the child psychology. इतना काम करके हम लोग थक जाते हैं और जो आंसर मिलता है वो अगर दिखाई दिया ऑप्शन में तो चूज करके आगे बढ़ते हैं. प्लीज डोंट डू दैट. रीड व्हाट दे वांट and give whatever they want. Okay, so here they are asking what is the length of 2 pieces. This is just one piece, so 2 piece का कितना 2 into 5. just this one step will decide whether you will get 2 marks or no, because most of the students will choose this and go ahead because they will feel that we have got the answer and option is there, but they have not read the sum properly. They are asking for 2 pieces ka length and not 1. So answer should be 10 meters. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं बच्चे लोग. Read the next sum properly. In how many years will the interest be equal to the principal at 10 PCPA? That is per cent per annum. See, simple interest is such a topic which is based on formula. Please see my video on simple interest. It will be really helpful. Okay. See, क्या है simple interest में number of years का formula. Number of years we write in n. n का formula क्या है? I into 100 upon P into R, right? This is the formula which is derived from original formula. ये तो आपको मालूम है ना, P into N into R upon 100. इससे ही ये फॉर्मूला डिराइव किया है. ये 100 ये इंटरेस्ट के साथ और P and R नीचे, so that N will remain in one side. Okay, that is a parent formula. And these are all derived formulae. Okay, n का है separate, p का है, r का है. Please see that video. Okay, अभी ये 4 वेरिएबल्स है n, i, p और r. ये 4 में से 3 वो देंगे और चौथा हमें फाइंड आउट करना होता है. लेकिन इधर तो कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहा है. In how many years मतलब n मालूम नहीं. Interest be equal to the principal at 10 PCPA. ओनली रेट दिख रहा है कि 10 है, बाकी तो कुछ है ही नहीं. तो क्या करें? सम तो सॉल्व करना है, राइट? सी स्टूडेंट्स, हियर यू हैव टू अज्यूम इंटरेस्ट बी इक्वल टू प्रिंसिपल. प्रिंसिपल ही मालूम नहीं तो इंटरेस्ट इक्वल है, लेकिन प्रिंसिपल मालूम है तो उसके हिसाब से इंटरेस्ट मालूम पड़ेगा. लेकिन ये मालूम नहीं है तो हमें क्या करना है? सी n इज इक्वल टू P अज्यूम करना है 100, R दिया है 10, ये तो दिया है, इसका टेंशन है. ये अजम्पशन, ये जिनको आता है उनको प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं. P not given, so I am assuming P as 100 and what they are saying, I is also equal to 100. I mean equal to P. I is also equal to P means I be 100 और ये अपना ओरिजिनल 100 है, राइट? ओरिजिनल 100 है वो लिख दिया मैंने, कॉपी कर दो. और ये r की वैल्यू 10 दी है, उसका भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, दोनों का कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं था. लेकिन ये अजम्पशन है. ओके, आई हैव अज्यूम बिकॉज़ दे आर सेइंग प्रिंसिपल और इंटरेस्ट सेम है, सो 100. ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो अहेड. ये 0 इसके साथ, ये 0 इसके साथ, ये 0 इसके साथ, इसके साथ भी एक ऊपर एक नीचे, बस क्या बचा है 1 1 1 और ये 10, सो 10 into 1 10 और 1 into 1 1, so answer is 10. We are talking about number of years, so 10 years is the answer. Isn't it easy? एक assumption ने हमें आंसर दे दिया. We have to assume. Please be careful here, children. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Read the next sum which will appear on your screen. Shrikant bought a watch for rupees 900. He gave equal number of notes of denominations rupees 10, rupees 20, rupees 50 and rupees 100. Find the number of notes of rupees 20 that he gave to the shopkeeper. In this kinds of sum, when equal number of notes are given, notes 10 के हो, 20 के हो, 5 के हो, 1000 के हो, 2000 के हो, कौन से भी हो, your method is very simple. What you do? Very shortcut I am showing you. What you do? कौन से नोट्स है वो ऐड करो. 10 है, 20 है और क्या है 50 है और 100 है. ये ऐड करो. कितना एडिशन हो रहा है 30, 80, 180, right? 180. This is the total. Then your next job is whatever is the total money he has to give it to shopkeeper. Watch कितने का है 900 rupees का. So your next job is 900 divided by this 180. ये एक जीरो गया, एक जीरो गया. 9 2s are 18. In case you know 18 table, nothing like it. But in case you don't know, don't worry. 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9 और ये 0. Now 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Answer is 5. In short, Shrikant will have to pay 5 rupees, 5 notes of 10, 5 notes of 20, 5 notes of 50 and 5 notes of 100 to the shopkeeper. Okay? So our answer is 20 rupees का पूछा है. किसका भी हो, it is 5 notes only because he has given equal notes of each. So our answer is 5 notes. Okay? Very easy. But sometimes they ask how many total notes he must have given. So इसके 5, इसके 5, इसके 5 और इसके 5. Total 5 5 5 5 मतलब 20 notes. If they would have asked 10 rupees के और 20 rupees के notes कितने दिए हैं? So 5 plus 5 10 because each is 5. Okay? So our answer here they have asked only 20 rupees का. So our answer is 5 notes. Isn't it easy? Very shortcut. Okay, चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Read the next sum. 5th January is Tuesday. Which day of that month will not occur 5 times? Here I will give you options. First option is Friday. Second one is Saturday. Third is Sunday. And fourth is Monday. Now we need to find out which day will not occur 5 times. There is a rule. The months which has 28 days, like non-leap year का जो February month होता है, 28 total days होते हैं February month में. 28 days का महीना अगर है, उसमें no day will be repeated 5 times. The months which have 29 days in total, that is the February month of a leap year. In that case, only the first February में जो day आता है, that is repeated 5 times. In a month which has 30 days in total, in that case, first and second of that particular month में जो days आते हैं, those are repeated 5 times. Okay? And in a month of 31 days, first 3 days are repeated 5 times. Okay? तो ये महीना कौन सा है? जनवरी. 5th जनवरी दिया है हमें कि ट्यूसडे है. 5th Jan is Tuesday. See, in this kind 5 days वाला जब भी फाइंड आउट करना होता है, तो हमें फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड मालूम होना जरूरी है, बिकॉज जनवरी हैज 31 डेज. सो फर्स्ट 3 मतलब फर्स्ट जैन, सेकेंड जैन और थर्ड जैन पे जो डेज आते हैं, those days will be repeated 5 times. So 4th Jan will be Monday. हम लोग पीछे पीछे जा रहे हैं, देखो. Third will be Sunday. Second will be Saturday. और first will be Friday. So January is of 31 days. So first 3 days of that month will be repeated 5 times. No other day, right? So now we will go to options. Friday तो repeat होने वाला है, Saturday भी होने वाला है, Sunday भी होने वाला है. So our answer is Monday. If you don't know this rule, then you won't be able to solve. So you are expected to know these rules. Okay students, I can just go on, you all know that. I can just go on solving different types of sums. But we have to stop somewhere. Otherwise this video will be too long, isn't it? Okay. Students, in case you like my videos, then don't forget to share them with your friends and give me good comments, like my videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay. Students, I will come with the next video very soon. Till then, study well, and very important thing is enjoy studying. Bye.